Hi Jalen, it's Mrs. Olson. I thought I would make this video to provide feedback on your 5 themes of geography project about Miami. So here we go. So first of all, what you need to add into each of the sections are the themes of geography. So I think I was able to discern which part of your writing fit with the themes. So for example, this very first paragraph should be labeled with location. The second paragraph is about place. The third paragraph is about region, and so on. So you need to add those into your project. And it might be good if you could organize it where maybe you had 2 themes on a page. So because this one is your title page, I would suggest moving place to the second page and share it maybe with just the next theme, which is region. Okay, so talking about location, you have written that the absolute location of Miami is that's good. The population is that's good too. Now the other thing that you want to add in here, and I just realized that I forgot it, is about relative location. So you need to describe where Miami is located in relative speaking. So you want to describe where it is located in Florida, what borders it pretty much all around, what part of the ocean, what's that labeled, okay? Now for place, we want to fix this section pretty good here. So I said this section needs to be put with the theme of place. So right here, it looks like it kind of belongs with location, but we want to make a good separation. Use the sentence starter, physical features of Miami include beaches, lots of wildlife, and a hot climate. So I took that introduction sentence pretty much from what you wrote here, but then enabled you to use the term physical features. Okay, so that's important. Now, if you click on that, it'll give you the rest of this box, which just says, then explain a little bit about each, okay? Now, in addition to the theme of place, you do need to include human features of Miami. So I'm going to pull this down just a little bit, and I wrote, what are unique things one might see in Miami? Why is Miami a tourist destination? What is the primary language in Miami? So even though the official language in the United States, well, there is no official language in the United States, but I think you will find that the primary language may not be English. Is the community diverse? So another way to think about that is what groups of people live in Miami. I think you'll see that the population is not just Caucasian, that there are actually many different groups of people that live in Miami. Okay, moving on. So this is the theme of region. I do want you to find a few other things. So I said, what are some other facts about this region that are interesting? You might talk about the weather. You might talk about it being located close to Cuba. So just a few other things for region. Okay. This part should go up with human features in place. And then with movement, you want to explain why people travel around, by boats in around Miami. Because as you've probably realized, Miami is surrounded by water. Okay, and then another thing or another idea to make this paragraph, this theme a little bit longer, does Miami export any goods? Is there anything manufactured in Miami, in and around Miami, and what is it and where does it go? Okay. And then the very last theme you forgot to put in here, so I wrote it in, human environment interaction. So here are some questions to help you think about it a little bit. Since the weather is mostly hot for the majority of the year, how have people adapted to it? Is there a certain type of clothing that people might wear? Are they going to be wearing jackets and boots in Miami, or is there going to be different attire that they might choose because of the hot weather? So I'm trying to lead you to use the term adaptation. Another thing that you can think of, does Miami have problems with pollution or garbage? Because we are talking about the environment in this section. And then, where is it? There it is. And then this one, how have people modified the environment? So I wrote you a hint with all of the water that surrounds the city. They have built things to help them get from place to place, okay? And actually in this picture, you had a picture, where did it go? Yeah. It was right next to it. I just went too fast. So you see this engineering feat right here? They have these all around Miami because otherwise they'd be having to drive around around all of this water to get from place to place. So this makes it a little bit shorter for them to get to where they want to go. Okay, so I hope this gives you some good information as far as what needs to go into your project and how to make some of this writing a little bit longer and a little bit more informative. Send me a message through the inbox if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Bye.